Hello friends. So let's complete deploy your integration in any point platform unit of this module. So I have already opened that module in new tab. So if you are not connected your Anypoint account already connected, you will get an option over here. After that, again you need to scroll down and you can see this launch button. Once you click on this, you'll get an interface like this. Click on Runtime Manager. After clicking on it, you will see the interface like this. So there you need to select the deploy application option, and before that it will ask you to select the sandbox. So you can see the sandbox option over there. So once you click on that, you will get an deploy application option. Click on that and later on it will ask you to put the application name. So in this challenge itself, you can see the application name over here. Okay, so you need to replace today's date with the actual date. For example, if you are doing this on May 16, then you will put May 16 instead of August 30, like that. So once you give a name, you need to keep the deployment target as it is. Then you have downloaded the application file initially. So upload the file over here. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the properties tab over there. So once you click on that, you will get an option. You will see one text box like that, and you need to keep these entities over there. You don't need to add this dynamob and all. Only you need to add the Salesforce dot username and password. So your username would be the playground username, and the password would be the your actual password which you have reset already. So once you do this, it will ask you to protect your username and password. So as per the guidance, you can protect your password. Now you will see one option, deploy application. So once you click on that, you can see um, the file is uploading, and then it will take 2 to 3 minutes to deploy that application. So it will be hosted in Cloud Hub 2.0. So once Cloud Hub 2.0 is a fully managed and containerized managed cloud service where you can deploy and run MuleSoft applications. So after that, uh, click in the application section and you will see the status is running. So once you see this, it means you have done the challenge. So you can go to your Trailhead playground and you can verify the steps. So once you verify, the challenge would be completed.